What's up guys, back again with another video. So I'm going to show you how to use background colors in CSS. It's actually really simple and it's used in pretty much every website, even Google. So look right here. That's white and that's like a kind of like a grayish white. So that's even a background color. So let's get into that. It's really simple and so let's say we want to make this little section, only this section around the H1 and P tag red. Okay, we can do that easily. So let's make a div. Oh, there's a div already. So okay, that's easy. So we can either do div like that, or we could just give it like if we don't want if we don't want every div to be that red background, we could just do a class, right? So we can say um, red and then have that if we want to. That's the name of the class. That's if we want to name it that. So class red. So now it'll apply and nothing will happen because we haven't given it any things yet. So let's get rid of that. Well, actually no, we'll keep it because I like the color. So to have a background color, we've already done this a little bit, but yep. So background dash color colon and then whatever color you want. So let's go back to our color picker here and we'll find our red color that we want. And I like that dark color right there. So put that hexadecimal right in there, reload, and cool. So you see we have this dark color now. So let's make this blue a little lighter so we can see it better. That's way better. Okay. Do a quick thingy, reload. Oh, that's way better. Okay. So let's say we want to make the rest of the page a certain color, right? We could also, well, to do that, we could edit the body, right? Because the body contains everything that you'll display on the web page anyway, so we'll just put it there. And then we'll have a color. Let's choose a color. We'll do this green color. Okay, so paste that, reload, and see, now the whole page is, it's really ugly, like super ugly. But that's okay, we understand how to do it now. So also something I want to teach you, if you don't want every class that's red to be that color of red, we could specify it even further by doing div red. So every div that has the red class will work like that. So that's a little fun fact. So let's test that out actually. We can do p.red now. And background color, oops, excuse me, messed that up right there. I don't know why, tabs don't work on here. That's weird. I just click it, I guess. And then we'll have red. Okay, so now if we go here, let's make a new p tag. Okay, then we'll give it a class of red, because that's what we named it, right? And now, so red. See, now it's that weird, ugly color of red instead of this dark, the velvet kind of color. That is because we specified that every p tag that has the class red will have this instead of just having a regular class with no specification, right? So that means that every div here that has the class red will be this velvet kind of color. I don't know if it's velvet, whatever, but you get the point. So yeah, background colors can be really, really cool. And yeah, so play around with that, see what you can make, and maybe even show me in the comments and paste an image or something like that. So leave a comment if you liked it. If you want to show support, leave a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more, because I'll definitely be posting more in the future. So I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, Discord in the description too if you want to join that. Okay, bye.